Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a server on Ubuntu, one of the first and most important steps you should take is securing it. And that starts with setting up a firewall. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and configure UFW. That's the Uncomplicated Firewall, to help protect your Ubuntu server from unauthorized access. No fluff, just straight to the point, hands-on guidance. First, let me create a VPS with Ubuntu 24.04 on DigitalOcean. UFW stands for Uncomplicated Firewall, and it's exactly that. An easy way to manage IP tables without dealing with complex rules. Why use UFW simplifies firewall configuration. Great for beginners and pros alike, and it comes pre-installed on most Ubuntu versions. Alright, let's dive in. First, let's see if UFW is installed, and what its current status is. If you see status inactive, that just means the firewall isn't running yet. We'll fix that. If it is not installed, which is mostly unlikely, you can just run this command. Before we enable UFW, we need to make sure we don't block ourselves out, especially if you're connected via SSH. Alternatively, you can specify the port directly. Default is 22. We now need to enable the firewall. To see which rules are active, run this command. This shows all allowed and denied connections. Boom! Your firewall is now active, and SSH access is safe. Next, let's add some rules depending on what services your server is running. If, say, you're running a web server, you'll also want to allow HTTP, port 80, and HTTPS, port 443. If you need to block a port, say you want to block Telnet port 23, just run this command. If you need to rate limit SSH to prevent brute force attacks, this command will do just that. It limits the number of new connections an IP can make to port 22 over a short period. If an IP makes more than 6 connection attempts in 30 seconds, it will be temporarily blocked. This helps slow down brute force attacks without completely locking users out. Made a mistake? No problem. To delete a rule, first list them with numbers. Then delete the rule by its number. This command sets the default policy of your firewall to deny all incoming connections, unless you explicitly allow them. Block all incoming connections unless I specifically allow them. Useful for hardening your server or desktop, ensuring only whitelisted ports like SSH or web server ports are open, and protecting against unwanted access attempts. This one sets the default policy for outgoing traffic to allow all connections from your system to the internet or other networks. Reload UFW if changes don't apply right away using this command. This command enables logging for the UFW Uncomplicated Firewall so that allowed and/or denied firewall events are recorded in system logs, Logging helps you detect suspicious activity before it becomes a problem. Want more control? You can also allow traffic from a specific IP. Need to turn off UFW temporarily? Run this command or reset everything to default settings. Use with caution. And that's it. Your Ubuntu server is now secured with UFW. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more Linux security tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.